This ocelot only has 3 paws. Missing an arm. Hey guys, we're here at the OC Zoo. Just opened on September 12th. So we're here to check it out, see what's different, what's new with the animals, and have some fun. Here we are at the brand new entrance. This wasn't here last time. Really beautiful. A little bit of a wait. We're at Irvine Regional Park. One of the best things about this park is their prices. Only $2 a ticket. It's a fun diorama. Yeah, I guess he likes that log. Is he chewing on it, or he's just holding it?
He's scratching with his paws and stuff.
He just poked his head up. A little nose wiggle. Black-tailed prairie dog is actually running on his little hamster wheel. One's sleeping up top. Actually, 2 sleeping up top. Plus the one down here. Looks like they gave the hawk some paper or something to play with, which is ripped up in the bottom of this cage. Ooh. Missed him flying. Oh, gonna fly again? That's the item that told me. Beautiful. They really went all out with the Halloween decorations this year. I actually didn't know they decorated at the OC Zoo for Halloween. So that was a nice surprise. We've also got these super nice brand new restrooms here. Really nice and clean. Got 4 stalls inside. Drinking fountains. Might not be working right now because of COVID, but water bottle filler. You see him?
What?
It's ocelot.
Oh yeah, you actually see him for once. So usually we walk by here, it's like he's either not in there or he's hiding.
Yeah, well, it's kind of easier to see him from right here than on the other side.
It's kind of cool.
He's just taking a bath. Look at him. Look at his little face.
I don't know.
Awesome.
They're like watching people just laying in a weird position.
He's up here. He's looking at us.
You see it pretty good from back here.
Oh yeah, she's all spread out.
Like his tail.
Mm-hmm. This ocelot only has 3 paws. He's missing an arm. Couldn't tell till he stood up.
You can rent bikes here.
That's cool. They got a lot of them too, of the pedal bike, the pedal cars.
Yeah, I don't really know the prices. We didn't look it up, unfortunately.
There's someone on a pedal car.
Pedal car. Someone here ready to go on the boat. Pedal boats.
Beautiful lake here at Irvine Regional Park.
Yeah, I can put it off to the side for you. I'll just leave it over there for you guys.
People getting ready to go out. They look kind of like giant tricycles. Honestly, I'd be a little scared to do that. There's not much on the sides as far as protection goes. You could easily drop your phone or something. See, they got a ton of them over there. Very strange little things. Looks like a lot of fun though. I would try it. I just wouldn't probably bring any of my stuff with me, my backpack or my phone, because there's like no sides to that thing. It's just open bottom. Move pretty fast. Hey, so we just got out of the zoo. It was a really fun experience. I enjoyed it. Did you? Yeah. It was all like one-way walkways, so that was like a little weird. We had to go one certain path. Usually I'm trying to save like the bears for last, but we kind of hit them first, but that's okay. How long do you think we waited to get in?
Like 10 minutes maybe?
Yeah, it's not too bad. It looked like it was long, and some people ahead of us were like leaving the line, so I was like, oh no, it's gonna be a really long wait, but it wasn't bad. They were just letting in groups as people left.
For $2 a person, it's a good little zoo to go to, and
Yeah, it's a good deal.
Built up on and everything, so it makes sense.
Oh yeah, we were probably in there. Do you think we were in there like 30-40 minutes maybe or something?
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah, so I mean, it's a quick zoo. It doesn't take long, but if you have like kids, it's perfect, you know, short attention spans and all. And there's a lot of animals jammed in there, you know, the bears, the beavers, raccoons, a couple of cats, the mountain lion, and a lot of little critters mixed in, deers, tortoise. So I would definitely come to Irvine Regional Park and check it out. It's only $2 each, so, and then there's a $3 parking fee. So, and that's just for the whole park. So after you're done, you can come enjoy the other amenities here at Irvine Regional Park. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye. They also just have peacocks walking around at this park, which is always kind of confusing to me. I understand peacocks walking around at the zoo, but they're just like wandering around at the park. I don't know if they're from the zoo and they just wander out here, or if there's just peacocks at this park. I just wanted to drive over to this little area. This is where the tiny train takes off from, and also where they do the pumpkin patch, and there's this little old-fashioned village here. Oh, I can hear the train whistle. Maybe we can catch it if we drive around. But this is a really cute little area here they have at Irvine Regional Park. There's also, it looks like wagon rides. I'm not sure if that's going right now, but I can see it. The train's there, folks. Can you see it? Hey guys, so today I was thinking about decorating a little Halloween window because we don't have a yard, but I wanted to put up something that people could see from outside. So I went to the dollar store and Daiso and Joann's. I was able to get the supplies to build this little cutie here. And I'm actually kicking myself for not having filmed a little bit of me making this. It's clearly not perfect. It's styrofoam, so it's pretty hard to cut. So it's a little jagged, but I painted the interior yellow to try to mask the roughness of it, and once I put the light in it, it actually looks pretty good. It's definitely not designer, but pretty good. And I like how the pumpkins on the top turned out. I painted the whole thing so that it would all be the same color, because these were more of a dark orange and this was more of a very bright orange, and this was like a really silly looking neon green. So I painted all of that to make it look more like the pumpkin on Main Street. I also bought some other things. This was gonna be my backup pumpkin in case this guy didn't turn out. I bought these little lights. I was gonna put this up here now because I have this guy. I'm gonna put this in here. And then I also bought, this was the most expensive thing I bought actually, which was what I was gonna use in case none of the other pumpkins turned out as well. But I might still use this because it's pretty cute. It's a set of pumpkin lights. So we'll see what we can do to make a little Halloween window. And here it is from outside. So cute. I love it.